After the heavy rain that occurred at night, the new driveway at the entrance of the shrine was damaged. There were also damages to the internal paths of the newly constructed shrine of Baba Farid. The influx of pilgrims has increased due to the completion of the new construction works at the shrine. The strong rain on the internal paths has caused chaos in the arrangements of the caretakers. After the rain, the internal paths of the shrine were covered by the new tent area. Once again, these internal paths have been destroyed, causing disruption at the shrine. Thousands of pilgrims have been unable to make their way from the gates of hell to the paradise garden through this very path. The pilgrims who made it through were questioned about the violation of the rules of the pilgrimage. Reporting Min Umar Drashans by PPO Digital Media.